Welcome back to channel, and hi everyone. In this video I will show you the making process of blister crushing machine cutter. So over here we are machining a blister machine cutter. This machine is designed to crush blister packs. So the blister packs are those in which the tablets are packed. So this machine we are making for the pharmaceutical company, and over there in the production when they make the packing for the tablets, if the blister paper become wrong, so if they produce it wrong, so then they have to crash it. So for this purpose we are making this machine. So this machine is designed to crush blister packs, so the kind used to package tablets. Okay, right here you can see the blade of the crusher machine being machined on a large lathe. See, the cutting tool is shaping the blade into the desired form. I'll be showing you every part of the process, how the machine is built and how each component is assembled. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay updated with every new video. As you can see, the team is currently shaping the cutter. They have mounted the workpiece and are turning it on the lathe to curve out a triangular shape. Since it's a large lathe, it turns at a lower speed, which is normal for this type of heavy machine. This is actually its maximum speed. The machine keeps rotating while the cutter takes shape. Okay, now as you can see, the operator is inspecting the piece. He is measuring it to ensure the cuts are accurate. So as you can see, this one is complete. It's the first of two cutter blades we are making for the crusher machine. As you can see, the triangle shape has been precisely formed from a round shaft. It's a perfect finish. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. I will be sharing every step of the crusher machine assembly. Stay tuned, it's going to be amazing.